Yeah, hello everyone. So, whenever we want to do the trading, our first step is to look at the bullish and bearish tickers. If you want to look in the small list or you want to look in the full list, you can check like which tickers are moving up or down. Then you note down top three or top four from the bottom, top three or top four from the top. So your NQ, ES, they are in the top list. In the bearish tickers, silver, copper, all the metals are bearish, including crude oil, platinum, gold, right, since yesterday evening. And also natural gas is also very bearish. So because right compared to 0.5%, here we have bigger numbers. So it is better always. Wherever you see the bigger numbers, that means there is a high momentum there. And there is a bigger bearish momentum compared to the bullish momentum. So start with right silver is right. Uh, Yeah, silver seems to be a good one for shopping. And then copper is also looking good. So even copper is also looking good, right? You see, right? Our rule is if you whenever you see the cell, it should be on the red background. You should have a red candle, and also in the ultimate D also if you have a red, that is good, and also it touches the resistance, right? So nearly all the rules are satisfied. We can go and trade. Okay, we can right. We entered a short for copper. So we got a sell here. The copper symbol is HG. The price I traded is 4.7980. So if I want, I can even take one profit at a 70, and then I'll take the remaining profits later. So this also at the top of the channel, we touch the resistance. Ultimately is also in red. So it satisfied all our conditions. So I took profit on one. We take profit on one more. And then we can take with gold or silver. Yeah, it has its potential to go further down. Here we have the support. Right. So yeah, this should go down further. Let's look at platinum. Yeah, platinum also we got a sell, but it is just close to the support. So better we avoid this. Then crude oil, we got a sell signal, but the candle is still green. So let us just give one more candle. ZB, UB will move very slow, so we can ignore them. Because silver is also looking good. That again, it is close to the top. We got a sell here. Background is red. Overall, very bearish. So we have one copper short, and then we have one silver short. nearly $225 in each account. Right, again the same, right? Especially when you get a sell signal, you also have sell here, red background. Yeah, right, now let's go to the next one. Okay, we got a buy at the bottom, but let's go and see like how is the UB today. Go to the chart. See, UB is 0.1%, not much. Right, Ethereum is bullish. Let's look at gold. Gold, do you think we can go short? Let me enable the chart. I think gold is also looking good. When we got the sell signal, we also got sell here, which is a good indication. And then we got the red background. And overall, gold is very bearish today. Here the selling pressure is getting reducing. So just I book the profits here. You can also book the profits in gold. It may go again little bit up and again come down to this level 2379. I'm also closing the other HG1. So as of now, we took profits on copper, we took profit on silver, we took profit on gold. Again, we are waiting for the next signal. Crude oil is also looking good, right? Because we have sell here, sell say red here, red background here, red candle. We can short to 1 hour. I took a short on crude oil. For example, these red ones becomes like right light red. That means the selling volume is going down. That's why we closed, right? Whenever after all these red, we saw a white, then we closed it. If we get more dark red like this, we can continue to hold. But whenever you see a light red, then you can close the position. and wait for the next sell signal. Whenever we get the next sell signal, we can again enter a short. Now this also can go up a little bit, but we'll mainly take the sell signal because they are bearish. Mm, No, this one is an existing one, the price pulse. Right, yeah. It is not very important for futures. This is mainly useful for options. When you do options, this can help us. But for futures, we don't just this right top trend and ultimate day. Just a top trend is also sufficient, but only right if we have the ultimate day, we know when to close our right when this red starts becoming light red, then we can close our short position. In the same way, when your green becomes light green, you can close your long position. You can book the profits. That is the main advantage. And also, when you see the sell signal, at the same time, this also gives a sell. That is much more stronger signal. So you have a red at the top, you have a red candle, you have a red background, all the three R's, then you will make nice profits. Yet here, if you see, still we have dark red color, right? If you see it, we got the red dot, we got the cell, we have the red background, and also we have dark red here. As long as we get those dark red, we can continue holding. Whenever it becomes a light red, we can close, or if it is close to a support or something, we can close. Until that time, we can hold the crude oil short. Dilip, I think you should already have it. If not, yeah, share your ID. I'll give the access to it. Yeah, right. Yeah, if we have one more, right, an additional algo also giving a same signal, that gives us more confidence. So you can eliminate the fake signals. Yeah, sure, Kadir. So during non-US hours, even 3 minutes is also fine. But during US, definitely we need to use 5. Again, it printed the dark red. That means still again sellers took the control. This time, if it breaks the support, it can come all the way down. Last time, this level acted as the support. It went up. Now, yeah, it is trying to break it. So I entered a short again in silver because it may go all the way down. Right after dark red, some light red. Again, we got a dark red. Also, there was a support earlier. It broke the support. It may come all the way down. I took another $100 profit there. Yeah, again, it can come further down, but yeah, it's good enough. Once the account reaches 3,000, it won't liquidate. So better you close the positions and don't use that account, right? Otherwise, again, it may go below 3,000. So make sure you watch your targets and because 50K account has 3,000 and each account has different limits, so it won't liquidate anything. You have to manually do it by yourself. Natural gas is also bearish. If we get a red dot here, or if the background becomes red, we can enter short on natural gas. Palladium is also but it already came down, so it can go up. In the next sell, we can take a short. Now, for example, if you put a right vertical line, if you get a sell, right, you got a sell signal, you got a red dot, you have a red background, everything is matching. So this made a nice profits. In the same way, if you go to gold, right, you put you got the sell signal, you got the red dot. Whenever you receive a sell signal, if this also matches, that will give you perfect profits. Right. For example, here also we got a sell signal. Uh, Or whenever, right, even after sell signal, wait for the red background, wait for the red dot, and then enter. Then it will give you nice profits. Right. This is like our confirmation. Yet here also you can enter, but when this also comes, that will give you more confidence. Whenever you have a buy signal, you should see a green dot. Whenever you have a sell signal, you should see a red dot. So that algo is telling it will price will go down. Now again, when I get a next sell, again it can make nice profits, right? Because it already came close to the bottom. We took the profits and closed it. Right? Generally, when you see a white, you close it, or again you saw the red one, again we can open the short, right? If there are more number of dark red means more number of sellers. Once the red became light, that means the number of sellers were reducing, so we took a profit there. But again, we saw that they are increasing, so again we entered. In the same way, dark green is like buyers. Once you see a light green, that means buyers are going down. Only right whenever you reach the target profit, just to close the right. Don't take any more trades in the account. It won't do any auto liquidation. If you keep trading again, if you lose less than 3,000, again you may have to again work on the target. Yeah, on that account, yeah, stop trading on that account. If it is a EA account, if it is PA account, you can do as much as you want. But if it is evaluation account, don't take trades anymore. Right? If you complete now, then tomorrow you will receive an email for the PA account, and then on PA account you can take the trades. And tomorrow is the last day for 90% off for the 50K accounts. So in case if anyone wants, they can. Yeah, everybody fill the Google form. I will give access to all the members to the RCA Ultimate Day. If you already filled it, that's fine. If you don't, just fill it. The Google form which I shared in the channel. So now again the line became little white. So we can take profits here. So another $100 with crude oil. So as always, right? First thing is note down the tickers which are bearish and make sure you only take the short on these ones, right? So you don't generally we don't take unless it goes all the way to the bottom and you see a strong support. We generally don't take long on these ones. In the same way, right? You have NKD, MNQ, NQ, Ethereum. All these are bullish tickers. You should not take short on them. You should take only long on them. I'll share the Google form details. I hope everyone got it right. The simple logic, right? Remember, most of you might have watched Triple R. So you know, right? Whenever you have a red at the top, your background is red, your candle is red, and with a sell signal that will make nice profits. And whenever you have a green at the top, you get a buy signal. If you have a green background, green candle, right? GGG for long, RRR for sell. Whether it is for stocks or futures or options, you just follow that strategy. Whenever you see red at the top, red candle and red background, go short. Now we are waiting for the next trade. Once we do right, already we made our 550 plus, but we'll take one last one and then if anyone has any questions, I'll. So here, right, first thing is whenever you get a sell, right, for example, you got a sell on this is ZM. So in the watch list, see whether it is bullish or bearish. So it is mainly bullish. So don't even take a shot. Just wait for the buy signal, or you wait for the triple confirmation. As of now, here we got it, but yeah, we did not have a sell at that point of time. So when you don't have a proper confirmation, you can just avoid that. And also the volume is also very less. Minimum 2000. If you see 2000 volume, that is good. Silver is going like anything. Right, by looking at the watch list, you can identify the trend, right? Whenever a trend is very strong, right? For example, here silver is 3% down, palladium is 2% down, natural gas is 1.76 down, platinum 1.25 down, copper is 1% down. So you can see a strong trend here, right? A bearish trend. Whereas if you sort it, you can see Ethereum nearly 1% up, NQ zero point 0.5. So anything above 1%, either bullish or bearish, they are like strong momentum or strong trend. So for example, if you see minus 3%, then you know that copper, gold, silver, they are like very, very bearish. So just whenever you get a sell, if you get a sell on something which is only 0.01%, 0.02%, you don't know whether the trend is really bullish or bearish. So we can always avoid. So that's why always look for top three, top four from the top, and also top two, top three from the bottom. These are for the long and these are for the short. And remaining, you can just ignore them. So if the color changes to red now, right, because overall that trend is bearish for natural gas, right? And then there is good amount of volume. but we got the red here. We got red candle, but the background is still green, so we are waiting. Right? Once the background also turns to red, we can take a short on natural gas. Yeah, share the Google form one more time. Um, yeah, I'm sharing the form here one more time. So now you got a buy on Ethereum. Right? Do you think we can enter this? We got a green candle. First thing is we got a buy signal. Now the background is green. The top we have green. The candle is also green. So it's okay to enter a long position here. Right? These are just micro, so we can take multiple positions. Now we should see a reversal on silver, and also gold also should start moving up. But we don't take a long position. We'll just wait for the next sell signal to get that. You need to get replicanto. If you get replicanto, then you can connect to multiple accounts. There is a software called replicanto software. When you get that software, you will be able to connect it. At same time, you can trade. When you are taking trade in one account, it will get copied to all 20, 30 accounts. Yeah, we'll follow cloud also. So if your cloud is red, then your sell signal. If your cloud is green, you do a buy signal. Subscription plan means, do you have tier one or tier two? What plan you are in? You can check with your registration, and if you are in tier one, or you will get only access to few indicators, right? 3 to 4 indicators. If you are in tier two, you will get the 5 to 6 different indicators. Yet here you already have a cloud, but yeah, it may not be clearly visible, but the cloud is red. Whenever you generally get a sell signal, cloud will be red. Whenever you get a buy, cloud will be green. No, cloud is still green, so we are not still entering the short position with natural gas. No, silver will go up. It came all the way down, so it may go up little bit and then again drop. Gold also will go up little bit. So we need to wait for the next sell signal. Yeah, replicant works with Ninja only, Ninja Rhythmic. So you need to get minimum one plan with Rhythmic, and then if you have some office laptop or some other laptop where you can install it, or you can also get a VPS where you can rent out the space. If you don't have a additional laptop, you can always rent out a computer, and then you can install the software on that. Yeah, just one time setup. Yeah, one time setup on the Windows. So I got some 5 micros for Ethereum. Again, right? They you won't make huge profits. Just only to show you that, right? Because we got the green dot here. We got a green candle, green background with a buy. So if it is GGG, then you go long. If it is RRR, you go short. And we know the trend is bullish because it is over 1%. That is a good ticker. Now, whenever you get a sell on crude oil or GC or silver or platinum, then again you can make some good profits. So you just wait for the sell signal. Even though you get a buy signal, just avoid it. Just wait for the whenever, right? It may go a little bit up and again it will drop. So yeah, in meantime, I get the next sell signals. So again, if you want to use multiple indicators, better to upgrade to an essential plan, right? Minimum you need, right? If you want to do options, stocks, everything, then having a price pulse, top trend, and ultimate day will be good enough. If you have all those three, you can, right? This may not be much useful when you are only trading futures, but if you are doing stocks, right? For example, let us see, Dell. Yeah, now you won't see the numbers, but during morning time, you can see the buy orders. So that will help you to know where you have huge order blocks. Based on that, if there are a lot of buy orders, you can buy calls. There are a lot of sell orders, you can do puts. Yeah, if anyone want to share their machine, no, you don't need to turn on ultimatum. If you just remove the top trend and add it back, you'll see the cloud here itself. So copper, yeah, copper is overall bearish. HG, yeah, but we already shorted it, right? We got a sell signal, and when the background turned red, we already shorted and took the profits. Whenever we get the next sell, we can again short the copper. As of now, it came all the way to the bottom, so again it can go up little bit, and then again when we see the next sell, again, right? Silver, natural gas, platinum, crude oil, copper, gold. These are the good candidates for short tonight. And then Ethereum uh, is the only one which is looking bullish as of now. It should be minimum close to 1%. If it is less than that, then we can just avoid that. That can go both sides. If it is above 1% or close to 1%, if it is negative, they are good for shorting. If it is positive, they are good to go long. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at one more chart. Yeah, also, right, while trading, if you are looking at some other charts and you think like, yeah, you can share with others and or during this session, you can share in the chat window. We can watch it and we can take the trade. So, yeah, earlier we should have traded here, right? Because again, right, whenever you get a sell signal, just do this. And if this also matches with the red dot there, then you will make some good profits. Now already it made some good move, so we can wait for the next one, right? Because the selling pressure is going down. Right? There are many more strategies. Uh, there are, yeah, many more strategies, many more indicators, but I want to teach one by one. Uh, no, if on PA account, you don't need to stop trading once it reaches 53K, right? Because it is always better to have some buffer, right? Before you request the payout, always have some 1 2,000, right? Once it reaches 54 or 55K, you can request for a 2,000 payout like that. So better you, yeah, you don't need to stop trading on the PA account. Only on the EA account, once you reach 53K on a 50K account, you stop trading on that. But on PA account, you can continue and right, try to go up to 54 or 55. Then you can request for a 2,000 3,000 payout, because always your account should have that 1 2,000 buffer, right? Because if your PA, let us say you reach 53K, you are drawing a 2,500, and now you have only 50,500 in your real account. If it goes below 50,100, again it may hit the stop loss. So that's why always your account should always maintain that 50,000 balance at any point of time. You won't have the trial stop loss issue, but your account should be over 50,000 to maintain your PA account. So you can continue trading. You don't need to stop trading on your PA. Only on EA, just to stop trading once you reach the 53. So anyone has any other questions or anyone would like to share their screen? Right, I'll give access to Ultimate D to all the members. So yeah, you can see silver is going up now. You may see it in 2 minutes. We got a buy. So whenever we see a sell again, then we can enter a short. So we got a buy on platinum also, but because the trend is bearish, generally we will avoid the buy signals. So anyone has any questions, or you can post in the chat message if you have any questions, or if you want to share screen for any help with the setup. Yeah, Nagesh, did you fill the form? Yeah, Nagesh, what is your question?
I did not fill the form yet. I have to fill the form because I need to get the mission ID. So,
Okay. Yeah, for now you don't need Ninja, right? I want everyone to get a good experience of this,
okay,
right? Then you can use Ninja Trader better, right? For example, when you see, right, after you trade the strategy that, okay, if there is bullish or if it is something silver, these are very bearish. So we are only taking the short trades. Then what you can do afterwards is you can enable short only on the prism. Then you will make nice profits. So first thing is you need to understand how we have to do manual trades. Then you can use the algos in a better way. Without understanding how to do manual trades, if we just enable the algos on both the directions, or without understanding what is trend and other things, we may not be profitable. So yeah, that's why you don't need to put the machine ID for now. You can just
okay. I just filled up. Yeah, I just filled up. So, and I have a problem in my account because I'm trying to trade it now, but I'm not able to trade. Maybe the stop loss is reached. I mean, stop loss means
right. It might have
2000.
hit that. Right. It
Yeah.
might have hit that trial stop loss.
Okay. So, do I
Yeah.
need to buy another account?
Yeah, you can buy another account and yeah, just follow the same strategy, right? Always look for, if there are bearish momentum, just to do the shorts. If it is bullish momentum, just to do the long. And whenever it is a bearish one, wait for the sell signal, right? Whenever you receive a sell signal, you need to make sure you have red background, red candle, and also red at the top. Then yeah, you won't make any mistake.
Okay. I'll buy the account. Yeah. The other thing is, yeah, in my account, I have to, I'm not able to see the cloud properly. So,
Can you remove and add the indicator one
I
more
did,
time?
I did it. So, maybe some problem or,
Do you want to share the screen?
yeah, I want to share my screen.
Yeah, anybody who want to copy this watch list, I sent the link. You can just click on that and you can copy all the same tickers.
Yeah. Can I share? I mean, I don't have the option to share.
Yeah, just a minute. Varun, do you have any quick questions?
Yeah, Kishore. So, what is the difference between the RC candle and then the Heiken edge? Because I see the value difference with those candles.
Right, yeah, basically this will, uh, right, for the channel bands and other things, we modified the logic little bit. But yeah, mostly they will be similar. There will be little minor difference, and the color also will be just red and green here. When you use Heikenaishi, you may see those yellow candles also. Wait, for example, if you see here, then you will also see those yellow candles. If you go and disable the RC candles.
Yeah. Can I share my screen?
Yeah. But yeah, you can use any one of them. You can go to top trend,
Mhm.
you can disable those RC candles, and you can just enable Heikenaishi.
Okay. Got it. Thanks.
Yeah, you can see my screen, Kishore.
Yeah, you can see it. Yeah.
So because your screen is looking better, because mine is looking different. So totally, this is the cloud, this one and this one,
Right. Yeah. The cloud. Yeah.
right? Okay. So how to make this bigger? I mean, little bigger, like your screen.
You can you basically zoom on the price. Right. You don't need all that price. Right. You are seeing nearly last 6 to 7 hours of the price. Right. You don't need all those. Can
Okay.
you can you can you try, right? Come to the bottom where you see 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock time. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you?
So
Yeah. Right. Drag that.
drag that. Okay.
Yeah.
This like this
Right. Right. Yeah. Just to keep last 1 hour. So, and also you can right click, do a
here.
right on the chart, do a right click,
Okay.
go to settings, and you can disable those Heikenaishi, body, border, and width.
Okay.
Yeah. Say OK. And click on the save. That you have a layout, right? You can click on the save there.
Uh,
At the top, you have
yeah, save button. This one.
yeah. You give some name so that whenever you want to, that will this settings will be saved always.
Okay.
You can do a rename or something.
Yeah, I'll do that.
And also, right on the price also, you can drag it in the same way. So you will see the candles in it. Yeah, drag it here.
Like this.
Yeah. So you can clearly see like what is the
Yeah,
candles.
now I can clearly see.
Mm.
So yeah, this is what happened, Kishore. So I think yesterday I went. I was about to. I got $90, $900, but I should have sell it. But I just waited and it went. 500. Yeah,
Right. Yeah, that's why in it's always better to book small, right? 100, 200
yeah,
profits
yeah.
also.
That's what I realized. Yeah,
Mm.
yesterday was my second class. Yeah, I got it. So now I have to buy another Tradeover account, right?
Right,
Apex
yeah.
account, basically. Yeah,
Go to the same account. You
yeah,
don't need to create one more login.
yeah, yeah. I'll just
Mm.
use the same one.
Right.
And so yeah, I think that's all for today. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. You can stop sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyone has any other questions? Yeah, Prakash, you can share your screen. Generally, for 50K account, you can buy 10 contracts at a time. But again, I don't suggest buying it always. If the setup is very good, you can go with two contracts. Otherwise, just go with one contract because suddenly, if there is a reversal, we may hit the stop loss when we get too many contracts. But yeah, 50, Apex allows up to 10 contracts on a 50K account.
So can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
Okay. Now today I can see orders are happening. Okay. Yesterday I'm not sure what went wrong. Okay. The orders will not happen.
Order
submitted. Okay, so that is one thing, and other thing, right? Okay, so far I have added only silver, gold, and platinum. So what are the other tickets I need to add?
You can add, right, as I told you, you watch for like what is the bullish and bearish today, and based on that, you can add the most bullish or most bearish to the chart. For example, today silver, gold, platinum, they are very bearish. So instead of run mode as both, what you will do is you will only keep as short only. So that those, because the upside will be only very limited. You may not make huge profits with the long only positions, but when you do short only, you will make nice profit. So if you go to strategies, yeah, it should be short only. Just like in silver, you have short only, right?
Strategy second.
No, right click on the chart
Okay.
wherever you have both directions. Gold, I think you have both directions, right? In gold.
Okay.
No, here you have short only, which is right.
Okay, this is for silver.
Right. Yeah, for gold, you have to, yeah. Instead of both directions, you need to put short only.
Okay, so here just I need to.
Right. Right.
Okay, then I need to enable it again, right?
Yeah, that's it. Order cancelled. So in this way, whenever there is a short position, you will make nice profits
Okay.
because the trend is right. If you see the cloud color, what is the cloud color on your chart?
1 second.
Click on apply. Yeah.
So every day I come here and I just change the account type to sim to account and enable it.
Right.
That's what I did. Okay.
Order cancelled.
Okay.
So if your cloud color is red, then you will do short only. If your cloud color is green, you have to do long only.
Okay. This is the cloud, right?
Right.
Okay. And okay. Okay.
It's
I
automatic.
like in data with like we can see top there is a red green, right? So here I'm not seeing.
Yeah, you don't see in the same way like in TradingView. Both are different softwares, right? So,
Okay. Okay. So right
yeah.
now I have a Ninja Trader account, so I need to opt for a trader weight to be in the trader weight.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to trade in TradingView, you need to have a TradeAway account.
Can I do both
Mm.
simultaneously?
Yeah, with Replicanto software, you can do simultaneously. I have some Rhythmic, I have some TradeAway. Then using Replicanto software, you can, when you take a trade here, they will get copied to all the other accounts.
Your accounts. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
based
again,
on
everybody who is watching, right? The advantage with Ninja Trader software is you don't need to click on the sell and buy buttons. You have to just enable, you have to look like what is the trend. If the trend is bearish for gold, silver, crude oil, platinum, then you open the chart and you just enable the strategy in that direction, right? So you can also do crude oil, Prakash,
okay. So
duplicate in new tab. You put crude oil symbol there, CL,
okay. So
enable.
where can I see the bullish or bearish? So in
One
the
is
trader.
by looking at the cloud, you can see it. Or if you go, right, if you see the GC, right, what is the percentage, right? Is it negative or positive?
Okay. Okay. This is
Right,
nice.
right, yeah. If that is negative, close to 1%, that means it is very bearish. If it is green and close to 1% green, that means that is bullish. Or by looking at the cloud, if the cloud is red, you have to enable short only. If the cloud is green, you have to enable long only.
Okay. So here.
So yeah, you need a Ninja Trader. That means you need a Rhythmic account to get the Replicanter. You cannot write with a trader weight. You cannot install Replicanter.
I have a
No.
Rhythmic account.
Mhm.
I have a Rhythmic account.
Right, right. Yeah, yeah, I'm answering the
Earlier,
questions.
I used replicant also. Sure.
Right.
Okay. Start only. X and P. Okay.
So now, whenever crude oil next time takes a sell signal, automatically it will.
Okay.
I think you enable that strategy timing. You have to disable that.
Which one, Kishore?
Again, go to strategies. Right. You kept the timing right 10 to 11:30. Yeah, that should be disabled.
Okay. Right, Kishore?
Yeah.
Okay. So when it disable, it will the trading will happen during the evening hours, right? 7:30 to 9:30. Whatever.
No, until you disable it, it will happen. It will continue.
Okay.
So if you want to only right, whenever you want to sleep, you will just go and disable the algo and you will sleep. Right. If you
Uh,
put a specific time, it will only trade during that time. If you don't put any time, it will start taking trades now. Whenever you
oh,
disable, it will stop taking the trades.
okay. Now I disable, right? So it won't take
Right.
right?
Yeah. If there is a short now, it will take a trade automatically.
Oh, okay. If I enable, then only during these times it will
At
take.
10 to 11:30 of your laptop time. Yeah. Whatever is your time zone, or it
Okay.
will watch your laptop time. Between only 10 to 11:30, it will take the signals.
Okay. Now it will take shots, right?
Yeah, because you kept a trade direction as short only. So whenever the algo gives a short, it will take a trade. And
Okay.
whenever there is a buy, it will just close the short. It won't take a long position.
Okay. And other thing, sure, I can see some trades happen today. Okay. So these are I think gold and platinum, gold and platinum. I think silver have done any trading today.
We did, yeah, we made profits on gold, silver, copper,
Okay.
crude oil.
But
We made profits
I
on
think
all of
due
them.
to the chart, short, I selected chart, short, I think. Short
Yeah,
only.
right. I think it took the trades.
But I don't see orders here. Hello.
At what time you enable the algo? Can you go there? Maybe before you enabled it, it already was in the short, I think. Go
Okay.
to the chart.
Go to the sorry, chart.
Go to the silver chart.
Huh?
So, for example, right, you enabled it
So
7:33, but the short started already before you enabled it.
okay.
That's why it did not take a short. If you enabled 15-20 minutes before, it would have you would have made nearly $700-800 with that short
Okay.
position.
Okay. But today I can see there is a like $600 profit. Right? How much total? Okay, $215.
Uh-huh. What is that unrealized? What is the position open now?
Um, Position open I think 51,160.
No, no. There is one position which is still going on, right? Because we closed everything. Only Ethereum micros we have. What
Okay,
is that?
380
Go to positions.
positions. Okay,
Okay, why you took GC long, platinum long?
I didn't.
Maybe.
I selected both. That's why it
Oh,
took.
okay. Yeah, yeah. That's the.
Okay,
Yeah,
now I
that's the.
selected a short, right? So this will close it or how it will be?
Yeah, whenever that opens, it will close this one.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Whenever it
Yeah,
opens.
whenever the new signal comes, it will close this one and open a short.
Okay, okay. So this will close automatically whenever the chart open.
Right.
Okay. Okay. This platinum also.
Same thing. Yeah.
Okay. 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 Sure. Yeah. That's all. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. For trader weight, right? You can use Apex copy trader with trader weight, but the problem is you can only use with Apex. You cannot use it with all other companies. So that's why I suggest Replicanto is better. You can use with
Okay. Sure.
yeah. Will it close the open trades close to the laptop closing time? Yeah, it will close the trades whenever is that end time. It will close the any open trades at that point of time. Yeah, Ashish, do you have a question?
Hello, sir. I have a question on the TraderWeight account. Can I share?
Yeah, just a minute.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see it. Yeah.
So I got an account. How do I add a new account? Because
Yeah, go to, yeah, click on that 50K. Right on the left side, you have 50K, right? Yeah.
so for the second account also I have to do the same process, huh?
Same process. Yeah. Just to give the coupon code and for any number of accounts, same process. And it won't impact, right? Even though you fail in 20 EA accounts, it won't impact your PA account in any way. So yeah, but basically, yeah, you will use the same coupon code and everything.
Think like if I hit the trailing drawdown on one of the account, right?
Right.
Should I have to cancel that? Because last time when I cancel it, I have to create a new email. I used to create a
No,
new.
you don't need to. You don't need to create new email.
Hmm.
That will create a problem if you create emails. So you can
Yeah.
just write because now you have the 90% off. You can cancel this one. Otherwise, next month it will get renewed at $37. Rather than that, you cancel this and create a new account in the same. Yeah, just click on cancel.
No, I don't want to do it. I have the new account.
Okay, then yeah,
So, but last time when I did cancel it, it was cancelled all this. I was cancelled from the subscription too. And again, if I try to open a new one, I have some difficulties doing it. So again, I need to talk to them and enable my new email. So the
that's
close.
what. Yeah, if you create multiple emails, that will become problem. You don't need to write whatever setup you are using. Just use that.
So if I hit the trailing drawdown, I just need to click on cancel and again buy a new, right?
Right, create a new account. Yeah, you don't need to cancel first. Even without canceling, you can create a new one. Once you have the new account, because 90% off is going on,
Yeah, but think if I don't cancel this one, right? Uh,
it will
again,
get renewed with $50,000 on June 22nd. And you have to pay 37.4 on the renewal date.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
All right.
tomorrow is the last day for 90% off. So that's why better to have some accounts, right? Yeah, again, if we use that strategy, yeah, whatever I shared, that whenever you see that confluence, then yeah, you will be fine. Just yeah, make 100, 150, 200 for every trade, and after you make 400, 500, stop for the day.
All right.
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh,
What is the suggested account for trader? Like amount 50K or
sorry, what is it?
like suggested capital amount for
Yeah, yeah, 50K is the best one. Yeah,
50K full size, right?
right.
Okay.
So Yeah, let me answer some questions in the chat window. Evaluation accounts. Yeah, evaluation account is like a paper account. These are not like real money you are trading. So they want to, right, make sure you can trade consistently. So you can click on the reset button, right? Earlier Ashish was sharing the screen. There is a reset button also, but because you have a 90 per reset, you have to pay $40, right? For example, let us say you opened an account on 515. Today is 522. You are paying $40 and again it gets renewed on 615. That means you are only getting 20 days or 22 days for the and you are paying 40. Rather than that, you pay $17. So you get again 30 days, right? Within 30 days you complete it, then you will be fine. You don't need to pay for the second month again. So that's why because when you click on reset again, it will start from 50,000. It won't start from if you were at 51 or 52, it won't start there. Right? Again, they will reset it to 50K. Again, you have to make 3,000 profit. So that's why instead of doing a reset, when you have 90% off, it is always better to get a new account. But if, for example, you have only 70% off, at that point of time, reset might be useful if you have a lot more days in the month. If it is already only next 2 3 days, if it is getting renewed, then you don't need to do a reset because only for the 2 3 days you are paying 40. Again on the renewal date, again you have to pay for the monthly fee. So that reset will always work. Only right. For example, you got an account today, next day you did some mistakes, you hit the trial stop loss, then maybe reset if the discounts are only at 70%, 73% like that. But if discount is at 90%, always better to open a new account rather than doing a reset. Uh, should we cancel the accounts that hit the stop loss? Right, yeah, because that 90% off is there and you don't want that to get renewed automatically on the next month. You can just click on cancel. During renewal, do they add another 50? They don't add another 50K, but it will automatically reset to 50K again, the initial balance.
And also, I tried using multiple credit cards. That is also a problem. So whoever
Right, right,
driving, we have to use only same credit card.
right, yeah. You have to use a simulation for trading trader weight. To 90% coupon code is same. Save now or save 90.
Sure. While requesting for TradeAward account, when I give the email, which is already registered with the Ninja Trade, saying already existed. So do you know it's a different email address?
No, you just sign up to the login to the same website.
1 second. I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, actually, you cancel the failed accounts, so they won't get renewed automatically next month.
Sure.
And get the 50K accounts are the best ones. Yeah,
Sure.
yeah. Tell me what is your question.
Yeah. So I came to I was trying to request for 50K TradeAward account. Okay.
No, you already have a account, right? So you go and log in there. Please log in to continue. If you already have an account on our website, please log in to continue. So
Here.
no, go little, yeah,
Here.
right.
Okay. Okay. This got I think. Okay. No, understood. I think the session got expired, so due to that,
Mhm. Right.
okay. Okay. So once I get the TradeAward account, again do I have to make this setup right here?
Yeah, you can take trades from here. Yeah.
Oh, that is a manual trade, right?
Right. This is, yeah. You will look for the confluence and you will take the manual trades.
Sorry, I missed the question. Confluence means?
That's what I was telling, right? You see green background, green at
Okay,
the
okay,
top.
got it. Okay, got it. Okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
The cloud and the candle
Right.
and the, okay,
Right.
and
So
the top.
gold is again looking short. So yeah, Sachi, do you have a question? Yeah, you can stop sharing. Sachi, we can't hear you if you're talking. Yeah, Sachi.
Kishore, I'm
Yeah.
joining from the phone. Um, Actually, the TraderBit account I'm going to create, I did not create. I thought I can revive those two. I kept actually the GC gold futures open. That is where it hit the stop loss.
Oh,
It
okay.
went down. I did the mistake. I should have closed it before sleeping.
Right, right. Yeah.
And second thing is already two accounts I failed. Will it allow me to open another 20 or only 18 I can only open?
No, evaluation you can open any number. Only PA they will give up to 20, but
Okay,
evaluation you
okay,
can.
okay. So evaluation, then I should create tonight. I should create like 20 or 25 because I don't know how many will be failed there, right?
Right, right.
And rhythmic account and TraderBit account both are same, right? Rhythmic account I should create 10 and 10 TraderBit. Is that how I should?
Yeah, you can do five or six trader weight and another 14 rhythmic,
Or
right?
rhythmic more
Because
rhythmic?
rhythmic is cheaper.
Okay. And from the trading view, any account you can log in.
With if you have replicanter, you can copy trades from trading view. You can only log into trader weight accounts.
TraderBit, huh?
But
Replicanto, any account.
replicanter, you can copy from this trader weight to any other accounts.
TraderBit, so TraderBit account has to be the master account.
Right. Yeah. If you
Okay.
take trades in trading view, trader weight should be master account.
Hmm.
For example, earlier, right, Prakash was sharing the screen.
And I was not
Then,
there. Carry on.
yeah, but yeah, if you are taking trades in Ninja Trader, then your
Hmm.
Rhythmic can be the master account.
Hmm. Hmm.
But if you are taking trades either on the trader weight or on the trading view, then your trader weight account is the master, and all other accounts can be your child accounts.
Okay. And the coupon is same for Rhythmic and TraderBit, save 90.
Yeah, it is the same thing. Yeah.
Okay. And then once I create this bunch of account tonight, and anything that failed, I need to keep track in the Excel sheet and cancel them before the renewal happens.
That's it. Yeah, right.
Okay. And the evaluation account, those qualify that $3,000 profit, they'll convert that to actual account.
That is right. Yeah.
And then once it becomes actual account, then truly we can start making money. But again, the actual account also will have a 2,500 or $3,000 stop loss, right?
Right. Initially, for example, you cross 53,000, right? You got a
Uh,
PA account. You are making 4,500 every day. Now you are
uh,
above 53,000.
okay.
Then you won't have the trail stop loss.
Hmm.
Only thing is you need to make sure it won't go below 50,000. It can go to 50,200 and again you can bring it back to 53,000. So you won't have that trail stop loss issue once you cross that 53, 52,
What
600
if,
mark.
what if one of the trade pulled it to 49,900?
Then your this account will get locked.
Uh-huh.
No,
So we need
initially
to.
when you start, right, you will have up to 47,500,
Uh-huh.
right? Initially you will have the 2,500 trial
Hmm.
stop loss.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay.
But once you right start making profits, once you make 53, then you can request for payouts.
If you make 53, then you should not be, right, because you need to keep 3,000 for your stop loss by yourself, and then on top of 53, whatever you make, you should take back to home.
That is right. Yeah.
And the question here is,
Again, as a safe side, right? Or
huh,
if you are happy with the 3,000, just right now your investment is maybe $100 for PA account and another $100, 200 for EA accounts. Now you made
hmm,
3,000, right? 2,700 is profit on that PA account. You if
correct.
you, but yeah, if you want to do it for long run,
Hmm,
then yeah, just slowly add the buffer. Have some 1,000, 2,000 as a buffer, and then whatever you make above 52, every 2 weeks you keep on withdrawing the cash.
correct. And withdraw is just add the bank account number and it's a smooth process, right?
Yeah, yeah, it is very easy
Okay.
process. Yeah.
And the question here is, it's because those are the real account. Let's say they gave me 50,000 and I lost 2,000. Who actually bearing that 2,000? Is that the company bearing who is giving this?
Right.
Hmm. By just taking like, 17, $18, they are bearing
No,
that kind of money.
right. But again, how many people do you think will reach that stage?
Hmm.
So yeah,
That's why
again,
that evaluation is important, right? That's why they make sure that you get expertise using the tools.
right. Yeah, this is like your training, right? You are
Oh, I see.
controlling your emotions. You are
Uh,
controlling, right? What mistake? Generally, we all do those mistakes. We try to go bigger size,
More
or you
than that,
try to.
actually, keeping it open in the night is the culprit.
Right, right. Yeah,
Right.
it is better. Yeah, not to right before sleeping. Just close the trade.
For the trade, negative or
Mhm.
positive. How to switch? Let's say I wanted to go long, and all of a sudden I realize it is like it is changing to sell short. So, is there any way I can flip, or I have to
Right.
close
Here
and
you
open
have
again?
reverse, right? You can see my
In
screen.
where in the trade of it? Sorry, trade of it.
Yeah, in the trading view, you can see a reverse here.
Or are you sharing your screen? I'm not able to see the.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, let me see where that button is. Can you show me the button where you are clicking the reverse?
Right, you have a reverse here. Reverse the
No,
position.
you should not sharing. I don't think we're sharing.
Mm, share screen. Can you see now?
Yeah, now it came.
Right, you
So,
have a reverse, right? Cancel all, flat and reverse.
oh, there is a reverse. Okay, it's a limit order.
Immediately it will do a market order. When you do
Okay.
reverse,
Uh-huh.
it will do a market order.
Most of the time, as long as the directions we are catching and we are going with the flow, market orders are also fine. You don't have to really worry much about the limit.
Right.
Uh, and here, when you connect, you have to connect only one terabyte account here.
Yeah, we can only connect one trade of it. Yeah.
1 terabyte. Okay. If that's supposed to be copied, then you must have a yeah, the other tool.
Right, replicanter tool, and then you
Replicant
can.
tool for this. Okay, got it. So I need to set up all this. Let me first then create a bunch of accounts tonight. Like
Right.
as you said, maybe I am allowed as many as evaluation account. My wife can also have another set of accounts, right?
Yeah, she can, but generally they give 20 PA accounts per household.
For
You can have
household.
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe start with 15, 10 here, 20 there, 30. Even if you lose 10, still have 20 P accounts available.
Right.
Okay,
But
fine.
again, right, if we just follow the steps, write them on a board or write them on a printout, just
Hmm,
follow this, right? You get a
hmm, hmm,
sell signal. You have a red at the top. Your background is red. You have a red
hmm,
candle. Then you will
hmm.
make profits.
What is that yellow line? Is it new today? You added something?
It was there always.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-huh.
But yeah, just right. Whenever there is a bearish, whenever we see a sell signal, if you also get a red dot there, then it will make
Hmm.
nice profits.
That red dot, the MACD, I don't have that one. Is that a different? I need to subscribe to.
No, no, I will give access to that. Yeah.
Okay. Is RC MACD, right?
Right. Ultimate day. Yeah. I thought
So,
right.
so how did you read here? The top I see red dot. Below it is green channel, a green background.
Right. You wait until right. You got a sell signal.
Huh.
So that means this told that it will go down. right? Ultimately,
Okay.
this algo gave you an indication that price will go down. Then you got a sell, but we will wait until the background turns to red.
Okay.
Now background also turned red, so you got confirmation from here, and you got confirmation. So you got all the three confirmations. And we know that overall gold and silver, platinum all are bearish from yesterday. So now, yeah, because this gave a tick mark, this gave a tick mark, this gave a tick mark. Now we got all the three confirmations what we need.
Let's talk about the green dot there on the top.
Right, yeah, you got a green. That means it is telling that price can go up. You got a buy signal, but right, the overall background is red. We know that the trend is bearish. And the trend is bearish. If you take a buy signal only for 5-10 minutes, it can go up and then again start dropping.
So if I'm trying to take the call, then I have to sit in front of the laptop while doing this then.
Yeah, that's what, right? Once you understand this process, then you will use the Ninja Trader, and you will know that okay, there is right. If you look at these tickers, right? If you look at the list.
Now my question is, how safe is the green for you to take? Like, can somebody dare to take this green like in 2 minutes, 3 minutes green there?
No, that is not a good idea. That's why we don't
Okay.
take green when the
Yeah,
trend,
correct.
right? That's what every day when you start trading, the first step is you watch like okay, which tickers are bearish. Right? Okay, you see that oh, this went down 3%, this went down nearly 2%. This is so okay, these are my bearish, right? Only wait for the sell signal. Then you see here, okay, this is bullish, this is bullish. Okay, I will wait only for buy signal.
And we can do that from the list that you have given it. We have shared the favorite list from you.
Right. Yeah.
Ticker there we can also sort it every day. Those tickers are enough to play.
That's it. Yeah. Just top two, top three, and the same way bullish also top two, top three. You can ignore all the middle ones.
Correct.
They're just moving up and down, shopping. And now, once you get a hang of it in the trading view, later what you will do, go to Ninja Trader. Whenever it is very bearish, you do short only. Whenever it is very bullish, you enable long only. So you don't need to keep watching the screen. Right? You can just manual, right? Just enable the algo. That too, if you enable the algo somewhere when it is close to the top, you will make a lot of profit when the ticker is bearish. You enable the algo if a ticker is bullish, right? For example, Ethereum, NKD. If it is at the bottom, now you enable long only for the bullish tickers, you will make huge profits. Right? This is a
Instead of
channel.
algo, why I should not buy manually? Why algo should buy here when it is bullish?
No, what I'm saying is that is step two. Once you understand the manual process, once you become perfect with the manual process, and if you don't want to keep waiting for right to when to buy, when to sell, you can also use the algos so that you don't need to keep watching the screen for 2 hours also.
Correct.
Right? But that is the second step. Once you understand, okay, how
Algo will not only buy when it goes down and it is a bullish. Algo will also sell when I'm not there and it is reversing back from the channel.
That is right.
Not reversing back from in the background become red basically.
Right. Yeah. Whenever you see a buy, it will buy. Whenever you see a sell, it will sell.
And in these 2 hours, it might buy sell 2-3 times in my absent also.
Right.
Okay. And I can define this many hours. You can do algo trading on my behalf.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll
But
get there later.
yeah. First, we understand the manual approach, then you can use the automation easily. Without
Okay.
understanding, right, we may keep it enabled in all the directions always. And yeah. So now we have gold, right? We got a sell signal. The background is also red. Still, we did not get a dot here, so we can just give a minute. But yeah, there is a high possibility, right? Because overall it is bearish. It may come down all the way. And it will
What
do
is
it.
the BTC? What is the BTC today? I have not opened the laptop. I'm just asking you to check the BTC for me.
Yeah, you can always.
How is the situation for BTC?
BTC is little bullish.
Like hourly chart, like, can I sleep in the night buying it? Is that risky?
So it is
We need that one, right? The indicators to see hourly, 15 minutes, 4 hours.
right. Yeah, you have a cell. It is still going in the cell,
Uh,
right?
this is
Yeah, it
hourly,
is.
hourly chart. Okay.
Yeah, this is hourly chart. So if you
It
see
might
here,
go.
right, you have a red dot here.
Mm,
You have a cell here, and
mm,
it is still going down, right? Nearly from 70,500, it came to 69,420.
mm.
So in the
It might
hourly,
reverse. It
yeah,
might reverse after a couple of hours. Yeah.
right, maybe after a couple of hours it may start going up. But as of
Mm.
now, in the for swing trade, it is bearish. For a
Yes.
right, if you look at a 5-minute chart,
Mm. Also
right,
bearish.
it went up, then came down a little bit, again went up, again came down. So yeah, we know for a s- slowly trying to move up, but yeah,
Mm.
it is still not ready for a swing trade.
Mm.
But this one is better. Ethereum is better. You can sleep with Ethereum
It has.
if you put in 1 hour, right?
Mm.
You can see it is in the green zone, green
Mm.
background.
Mm.
It is in
Mm.
the buy signal, and also if
It
you
will.
see
It,
here,
it will give enough time for us to sleep, basically. Huh?
right? Yeah, it nearly this line touched it, so
Mhm.
it should go up. It can go to 3860 by tomorrow morning.
Mm. Got it.
Hmm.
Kishore, I have few questions. How to take multiple accounts?
Sorry, how to?
How to take multiple accounts? Can I share this one?
Yeah,
So now, like I have successfully signed
yeah.
up for
Click
Trade.
on that. Right? Do you want to trade away it, or you
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to do one by one again to repeat the same process?
For trade of it,
Yeah, if you want trade away it, you will click on trade away it, or if you want rhythmic, you will click on rhythmic.
same. If I want to I already have 50K, so again I can opt for the 50K.
Yeah, you
Okay,
can you can get any number of evaluation accounts. For every evaluation account you complete, you will get a performance account. If you
okay,
complete 20 evaluations, you will get 20 into 50K. That means $1 million you are trading. Yeah, so if you make even 100, 200 every day on each 50K account, then you are making 1,000 to 2,000 every day.
okay. How many take these rhythmic accounts?
How many?
Accounts I can take the rhythmic 20 per household.
Yeah, yeah.
Rhythmic and trade of it also 20 or
No, evaluation, you don't have a limit. You can take 20-20, you can take 10-10. It is up to you. Based on whatever you want to invest, you can trade that many. If you think like you are confident, you can take 20 or 25 and try to get 20 performance accounts from those 25.
okay.
If you
But
are still there,
how to set up
mhm,
here multiple accounts? Can you set up?
they will automatically set it. Once you create these ones, all those accounts will come here.
Oh, okay, got it. Okay, okay. And that is one thing. And other thing, there is a long call. Is there? Okay, how to close this one? No, this is the. Or shall I wait until next one?
Yeah, once the sell signal comes, it will close the long and it will open the short.
Okay. There is silver now actually. Earlier I don't have silver. Silver. Um, Still I can make it on or shall I turn it off now? The trading.
You can turn it off because generally it will become less volume after 10 p.m.
Okay. Now how
So yeah,
to open calls then?
you
These
can
are
close,
not calls, right?
right? You can close that platinum manually, right click.
Okay.
Silver, you can wait for some more time. But yeah, platinum you can close position.
Order filled.
Okay.
Then that short maybe you can hold for some more time, maybe another 15-20 minutes, because it may turn into profits.
Okay. Now it is okay. And
Yeah,
one more.
that's what start with trading view. Once you understand trading view better, you will be able to use algos in the right way. You will know whether to enable short only or long only, right?
Okay.
Otherwise, if you put both the directions, it will it will make profit on one side, but it may make loss on the other side.
Okay. So on the first month, it went to minus like 2,500. So it reset. Okay. Then the last month, it came like I got a 1,600 profit. It's been like a 5 weeks, 6 weeks now. Still, I see same amount
Right, because you did not take any trades, right?
in it. Okay.
Right. And yeah, if you don't take any trades, it will stay in the same way.
It will stay in the same. Okay. 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 Thank you, Kishore. Yeah. So, okay, I can take multiple accounts from here, right? So, if I take it, if I open it, I can see all the accounts in here, right?
Right. Yeah. Oh, you have to disconnect and connect the connection, then you will get all the accounts here.
Like Apex 15363 like that, I can see multiple accounts.
Right.
Okay. How about here in this here? How to set up here? Again, I need to do same thing for in silver. Let's say if you want to take silver, right? Silver
Mhm.
for multiple accounts. Then again, I need to do duplicate and in the strategies, I need to select.
No, you will go there. You don't need to open one more chart. In the same chart, then you click go to that same chart again.
Okay.
Right. Go to right choice and again add one more RC prism.
Oh, here.
Yeah. And then you will give another account.
Got it. Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Yeah.
Order canceled.
So how many how long it will take to approve these accounts, Kishore? 24 hours?
Within 5 minutes they will get added.
They will get added.
Yeah. Once you create the step, you have to go to connections.
Okay.
You have to disconnect and add it back.
Okay. If I
Again, that
disconnect, there is an open trade, right? So it will lost, right?
uh, silver is going
There is
down
a
again.
position right now. Okay.
Yeah, I think silver.
There is a hard call is there. Okay. If I close this account,
No, you're not closing the account. Just you will stop the connection and restart it. Then you will see the new accounts.
new accounts. Okay.
That position will be in the same way.
Okay. Now trader it is I already signed up for that. Okay. So how to set up here?
So, yeah, I'll explain the tomorrow session. I already did some videos, shared it. You can follow that.
Okay. Sure.
But right, is the account ready?
I signed up.
Did you receive an email?
I didn't check actually. 1 second. I'm checking.
Go to customer profile.
Customer profile, okay.
And so once the click on the dashboard. Dashboard, the first one, first option. Yeah, okay. Tradeaway is ready. Okay, now go to trader.tradeaway.com. Open a new tab.
Okay.
Trade.tradeaway.com. Trado. Yeah, click on login. Now copy those credentials. Go back to your dashboard. Apex dashboard. Yeah. Copy this. Yeah. Yeah, click on simulation, launch. Right now, click on that right corner. You see those settings, right? And go and click on them. No, right corner, total corner.
Like
Yeah, above that 137, you see 137 notifications, right? Above that, right, top right corner.
okay.
Above 137. Do you see that 137 number? Top right corner.
Top right. Okay.
Little more.
Up. Okay.
Go right.
Right. Okay.
Go top. Go little bit top. Yeah, click on that.
Application settings. Okay.
Add-ons. Go to the top. Go to the top. Add-ons menu. And okay, generally it should be free. Maybe did you use the same login, right?
No, since his account is new, it's you need to talk to them or it's gonna activate by tomorrow. It happened
Yeah,
to
maybe give some more time. Then you will see the trading view as free, right?
Okay.
As of now, you are seeing 9.99, right? Don't click on buy. But after 10-15 minutes, if you come here, you will see it as free. Then you just activate that. Once you click on that, then you can go to trading view and you can yeah, right, connect to your TraderWet account from there.
Okay. Okay.
If not, you need to send them a ticket, send a customer service ticket, then they're gonna add it.
Okay. Okay.
You just do refresh one more time. Yeah, click on that again. Okay, then yeah, give some more time because just now you created. It may take like 1 hour for it to get reflected.
Okay. Can't I sign out here, Kishore?
Yeah, you can just close it.
Close the page.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, what next? I enabled FX Trade Copier and created a group. Should I have to trade in Ninja Trader for copies to reflect, or you can place trades in Trading View, Madan? Yeah, it will copy to all. You can do in Rhythmic or Trader it. It will get copied. Yeah, hi Kiran, do you have a question?
Hey, Kishore.
Yeah, do you want to share your screen?
Yeah, so let me know when you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, I can see now.
Okay, so I'm getting double candles.
Yeah, right click on the chart
Yeah, so settings,
settings.
it's all disabled.
Okay, say okay. Go to indicators. You might have added something double. Go to the indicator. That number 5 is there, right? Okay, you added a top trend twice. You close one of them.
Okay.
Mm, that
But with
ultimate.
that, the color is very light.
Can you go
But
to ultimate
yeah,
settings of ultimate one? Or that RC channel? You don't need, right? Because maybe RC channel also can you close?
remove or hide it.
Yeah, remove that.
Okay.
So now you can see only one candle. You don't have double.
Mm,
And also the strong sell, strong buy are mainly for US hours. During non-US hours, don't use the strong sell, strong buy. That is mainly in US hours. If you get a strong sell, that means you can, yeah, you can take a trade and make profits.
Yeah, and one more thing, the Ulti MACD, I don't see that.
Yeah, I'll give that access to it. Yeah.
Okay, and one more thing, like recently you had pasted that this kind of indicators, like what are the top bearish symbols and bullish symbols. How do we see this in our view?
Go to indicators, and click on the indicator symbol, indicators. And, yeah. You okay, did you add your information to the Google form?
Yes.
Okay, then I'll also add that. In scanner.
Not recently, but 2 days before, when you asked me to fill the Google form, I had filled it. But if you had asked me yesterday again, then I did not.
Okay, yeah, if that info is there, I'll add that scanner also to your.
Okay,
Yeah,
and yeah, so when you will be adding both that Ulti and this indicator?
yeah, after this meeting.
Okay, and when we get the PA account, do we need to maintain a minimum balance in that, or can we withdraw all up to 50,000 limit?
Yeah, up to 50,000 limit. Right, again, as I said, once you build it to 53, 54, you can start taking withdrawals, 1,000, 1,500, like that. Because,
So
for example, if you have
53,000,
50, if you
53,000, do we need to maintain the balance?
no, you don't need to.
Hmm.
Only thing is, right, for example, let us say now your account moved from 50 to 53 on a PA. If you are taking 2,500 out of that, and if you take one wrong trade, and if it goes below 50, your account will get locked. Right? You should
Oh, okay.
maintain that minimum 50,000 balance always, right? That is like their money, right? They,
Mm-hmm.
they don't want you to lose that money.
Okay.
So, so for example, now you have 53,000, you are only taking 1,000 from it. So now
Mm-hmm.
you have a 2,000 buffer, right? Even
Oh,
if you
okay.
make a mistake, next day you can again do some good trades
Recover it.
and
Okay.
recover it back.
Okay. Okay. So always it is always better to maintain 53,000 balance, and whatever above 53,000 we can withdraw.
Right, yeah. Whatever cushion you want to keep it, right? It is not that you have to definitely keep 53. If you think like 1,000 is good enough as a cushion, then once you reach 53, 50, then you take $1,000 out. Now you have
Oh,
$2,000
okay.
cushion, right? Again, make another $1,000, again request a payout. Like that,
Oh,
it is up to you. If you are taking trades carefully, then yeah, you can just keep $1,000 as a buffer. If you are doing some mistakes, then maybe keep 2,000 as a buffer, and anything above the 2,000, 2,500, you can start taking withdrawals.
okay. Okay, got it. Okay, yeah, thanks. That's all I had, Kishore. So you will be adding both the indicators
Right.
after this call, right?
Oh, Kishore, Satya again. I heard you telling that in the US time.
And one more quick thing. Hey, Kishore, like after you add the new indicators, uh, like do I need to remove the what do I need to do? Do I need to remove all the
Just
indicators and
no,
add back?
no, you have to just log out and log in, and then you go to that indicators tab. You will see the new indicators in your list.
Okay. So I don't have to remove it and then add back, nothing like that, right?
Right. Yeah. Existing ones, you don't need to make any change.
Okay. Okay, sure. Yeah. Thanks, Kishore.
Such to
Uh,
answer your question, in the
hmm,
so we added one more option, right? One is a buy and sell, which
hmm,
is mainly for scalping, right? You want to
hmm,
do quick trades.
hmm.
One is more like little swing, right? Especially in the US hours. Once you take a strong buy, then it will hold the trade for more time. Then until you see a strong sell, you can hold the trade. Same thing, once
So,
you see a strong sell, you can do a short and you can hold for more time. That is
oh,
more like this.
that is US stocks, not for futures.
Even for futures also, but during, if you are trading during US hours, you can use
Hmm.
those strong buy and strong sell.
Okay, that basically you can hold for a couple of hours.
Right, yeah.
I see. Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, Purushottam, do you have any questions?
Yeah. Hey, good evening, everyone. Yeah. With my intelligence, and I have deactivated one of the performance account, but it is still showing in my Ninja Control Center. So after 1 month, it did get deactivated.
Yeah, it will get deactivated maybe after 1 or 2 days. It will get deactivated.
Oh, okay. There is no point like trading within that performance account then.
Right, but it won't allow actually. If you try to take trades
Yeah,
also,
it
it
is
will.
allowing me.
Then you make a maybe right. What is the balance in it now?
Yeah, it's exactly 50K.
Then you might have not hit the stop loss, because otherwise it won't allow you
No,
to
I didn't
proceed.
hit the stop loss, but accidentally I have deactivated.
Oh, then that is not a problem.
So after 1 month, it will get deactivated, right?
No, if you raise a ticket, they won't deactivate. As long as you are not hitting the trial stop loss.
Mhm.
Even if you click on deactivate here in the dashboard,
Oh, okay.
it won't even if it deactivate also, if you raise a ticket, they will activate it again.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good. Yes, Sam, do you have any questions?
Yeah, yes, Kishore. Yeah. Yeah, Kishore, you showed me yesterday to adding the Kishore, yeah.
Yeah.
Yesterday you showed me to adding the all the accounts, right, Kishore? Just I want to make sure, because there is no duplicate and all, so that I don't want to lose any accounts. Yeah. Are you able to see my screen? Yeah.
Now you started. Yeah, I can see now.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Here, yeah.
you don't have any duplicate windows, right? You have only one replicant window.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So here I have added all the accounts. How about this one, Kishore? The SIM, do I need to
Yeah,
add
that is
this?
not required. That is just a simulation account, so you don't need to. So even adding also, that won't help you.
Okay. 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 So apart from this, so do I need to do anything here for the side and quantity or anything?
Nothing, nothing.
Okay. So this is also looks good, right? Just I want to make sure, Kishore, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, just I'm looking at your tabs,
Yeah.
GC, silver, MNQ. NQ, better you remove it. NQ is very dangerous. You can lose your accounts with NQ. It
Oh,
can, yeah, some days it may make profit, but some days, most of the days, it will take all the profits you made. So better, MNQ is okay, but NQ is very, very dangerous.
okay. I
The
removed it.
best ones are GC, silver, platinum in the evening time. If you just to focus on them every day, 3, 4, 500 is guaranteed. And if
Yeah.
you follow, yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
So just now I removed it. That's it. That means it's gone from this, right? Yeah.
right, right,
It,
yeah.
it will not take any.
Or minimum, even if you take in the master account, it will not copy the trade into all your child accounts,
Okay.
right? Because even though
Yeah.
you
Yeah. Got it.
remove,
Yeah. Understand that. Yeah. Okay. Got it. Got it. Yeah. So this is the one thing, Kishore. The thing is import, right? You showed me import also, right? So here, very first day. Yeah, so where should I keep that?
Yeah, import is in the Ninja Control Center.
Or
Close
this one?
Minimize this. I cannot see. We can see only replicant screen.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, let me reshare that. I stop sharing and again I will share. Now you are seeing my screen, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So go to tools. Yeah, import. What is that you want to import?
Yeah. So again, they sent latest one, replicant one.
Okay. Yeah. Click on the Ninja script add-on.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And then you can import the latest file.
Yeah. Okay. I will do that. Yeah. Apart from that, yeah. One last question, Kishore. Yeah. So here I have added it. Can I try one any micro? Just 1 cent or 2 cents, something. Just I want to make sure, and then I will close it.
Yeah, you can do a short on gold or MGC, but you need to have the tab enabled there. Or you can take a long on micro Ethereum MET.
MET. Okay.
Do you have the tab enabled there for MET?
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I think I have. Let me recheck.
Yeah, you have it. Yeah.
Yes, I have it. And one. Let me import that also before you leave. 1 second.
Oh, you can import that.
Okay. Yeah.
Right, that Ethereum is going up. So if
Yeah, which ticker, Kishore? Yeah, ES.
MET.
Oh, MET. Okay.
Remove the VC.
Yeah.
The first one, yeah.
This one?
Right. Okay, now you can click on the trade button and just enter that, yeah, at 37.88 or something, yeah.
Order submitted.
Add one more at 37.89 or 89.5.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay, you can add it.
Either ones it will take, right? Yeah. Okay. I kept 2 orders. Yeah. Okay. I got it now.
It got filled. So it might have got filled in all the accounts. So
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. I added 2 count, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I think it is overall bullish. So if you give some 10-15 minutes, it will move into some small profit, $1-2 profit. You can close.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Kishore. Because yesterday I lost almost 5 to 6 accounts, Kishore. Yeah.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Thank you so much. Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Teju, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Now I have a small doubt. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, you can share now.
Anna, are you able to see my screen?
Not it. Yeah, now we can see it. Yeah.
Anna, while I'm trying to create alert, 1 minute I will show you, Anna.
Mm-hmm. Go to RC top trend. Yeah. You will do sell alert. Okay.
Yeah. It is
Okay.
coming right alert saving failed.
Because you don't have that plan, right? Maybe you can get that trial plan.
But till morning it worked well, Anna.
Maybe there will be a limit on the number of alerts you can do, right? Because you might have already created multiple alerts. Go to that alerts tab, right? Yeah. So already you have on MES, GC, silver, crude oil. So maybe remove those whichever are not needed. If you remove some of them, you can add more.
Okay, Anna.
Or you can just restart that, right? Already you have buy alert on silver or sell alert.
Yeah.
So
Anna, one more small note. Actually, afternoon it was 50, but now it was 52. I don't know what I did, but my account has increased.
that is good thing, right?
Good thing, but I don't know. I'm fear like afternoon while I'm trying to close my lap, it shown like 48 active orders, but I don't know where to go and see that active orders and how to cancel them.
Go to orders, right? At the bottom you have orders tab.
Okay.
So if you see like anything like active, you can cancel them or
Where to say active, Anna?
in the state, right? You have state, yeah. Yeah.
Cancelled. Yeah.
So as of now, there are no active orders. Or if you go to trading view, or you are taking trades from trading view only, right?
Actually, I took from TradingView only, but this 10 and 11 are Ninja Trader accounts, Anna.
Okay.
Oh, wait. This 10 and 11 are rhythmic accounts.
Okay.
I'm
Then
confused from where I got this extra money.
mm, maybe you might have some active order, right? For example, you might have created a limit order for silver short or gold short. If you look at the timings, you see, right, all the trades.
Okay.
You may see that something might have you might have created an order, forgot to cancel it, that already automatically triggered.
Okay.
So did you do all these trades manually or
Some of this I did manually, Anna, and some I think before half an hour I enabled Prism.
maybe Prism might have taken that short orders.
Okay.
So if you go to my rhythmic, right, go to new and go to trade performance and in the summary, go to summary, uh, trades. In the filter, yeah, you have the filter, right? Click on the filter. After trades, you have the filter button. Yeah, give today's date. Yeah, just select those two accounts. You can uncheck everything.
Okay.
Right, and select today's date. Yeah, click on generate. Yeah, if you maximize, you can see like what trades it might have taken. And so it made $400 for one trade, 375 for one trade. Again, you enabled long only, right? Long we should not do when it is bearish, we should not take. Did you do two sides, both directions, or did you
Yes,
put
Anna,
short?
both directions.
Right, that's what you should not do, right? Because when they are silver, gold, everything is bearish, you should only use short only.
Okay, these are the trades taken today, Anna.
Right, yeah. All these are taken by Prism.
Okay. Got it.
So yeah, so make sure, yeah, remember that if the trend is bearish, enable short only. If the trend is bullish, enable long only.
Okay, Anna.
Yeah.
Thank you, Anna.
Sure, no problem. Yeah, Prakash, do you have any questions?